Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna run this program, which will show us. If we go to resources, to then to layouts, to the main, it's gonna show us hello world as we've seen it before in the first tutorial. Just click scan until it loads. I'll pause for a second. Okay, so this is the layout. Okay, this is what's gonna be our application. It contains this icon, the name of the project, and hello world. But before we can run it, we need an emulator to run it, the AVD. So what we're gonna do, okay, you can click here, run configurations, or you can right click here, okay, run as, and run configuration here. Well, click here. Now I'm gonna delete this one. So already have. And open new configuration. Now what's important here is that the project is the same as the name of our project, which is EX01. EX01. Okay, then we go to the target, and here you find the emulator, which we already specified in the AVD. If you have not specified any yet, you can go to manager. You can create one, you can edit one. I'll show you just this one. Okay, I'll click on edit. You can create, when you create it opens the same Windows here. So the AVD name is Android 40. You can name it as whatever you want. The device, I just picked one of the devices, which is Nexus. Click the Nexus. Target, we'll put it 4.0 because it's the minimum which we use. The skin, well, I had some problems before. It did not run the emulator when I put no skins. So you can just put this one, it should work. Camera, we don't need any cameras. Cameras, I don't need any either. And here in the memory options, it's how many RAM you're gonna give this emulator. It's gonna run at the same time with the Windows. So here we give him a 1 GB of RAM, so it will only be used for the Windows. So be careful how much you put, and you can put more if you have more memory, and depend on your computer power. Mine does not have so much. So also the heap for the virtual unit, and the internal storage. It is like the hard disk. Okay, what's the internal storage of the device itself? So I give it 200 mega, and you know what? Let's put another for the SD card. I give it 100 mega, which you basically cannot put it, but maybe we'll use it in some tutorial. We'll see what happens. So anyway, we click on OK. Okay. After we're finished, we exit here, refresh, and we have this one. So I specified that I want to use this one, and apply and run. So as you can see here in the console, it's already opening the emulator. This is the emulator. Okay. If you don't have the console, does not appear to you. You can go to Windows, show view and console. Click here, and this Windows will open. As you can see, it is loading. It's gonna take some time to load, so I'm gonna pause this for a second and be back to you when it's finished loading. It is still loading, as you can see, but if we look here, okay, it was uploading the ex01.apk. This is the file, okay? This is the file that we upload to the device. And in the end, we're going to take this and put it in the Android and install from here. Now, I think it's because my computer is slow, so let's try to run it again. It's where the emulator is already open. So as you can see, uploading ex01 APK, and then there's EX0150 installing it. So here you can see nothing, so we'll wait for it to install. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay, so here it's telling me it's starting activity.com, example HTML, and if I go to, where we go? Okay, so I just open this, and voila, this is the same as this one, which is already created for us, and we'll learn how to create things. Now, I don't have to, every time I want to change something here, okay, I don't have to exit the emulator because the emulator just works. But at the same time, if I change anything here, it does not change automatically. It will have to upload it again and install it, as we have seen here. So let's add some stuff, okay, just for fun. Let's change this word, okay. So here it's hello world. Let's change all the things for now and call it just hello. Hello. Okay. We'll save, Control S, then go back again to the graphics here. Okay. And let's put the text field. Okay. We'll put this one here. Yep. And then one for the password. No. Here. And you know what? Let's take another button here. And finally, if we go down, let's put some of this just for fun. I'll put it here. Okay. Let's put it here. Oh, no. So we save it. Okay. Save. You see the star here disappeared. So we saved it, and if we open it, still the same, right? So what we do is just rerun it. This first, and now we want so as you see here, it's uploading, installing. Okay, and here it is. Now I can use the keyboard here. So this one, and the button. Now, as you can see, nothing happened. We need some tweaking here. Let's change it like this. Okay, and this. Okay, so we didn't write any code yet, so we only have the graphics, but nothing happens. But meanwhile, this is how it is here. So that's it. Please subscribe and look forward for a new tutorial. Thank you for watching.